wondered what it takes to unlock your inner genius and actually skyrocket your productivity? In today's video, I wanted to dive deep into some actions that you can take to attain a clearer mind. Now, this concept of focus is a game changer, and it not only transforms the way you think and work, but it ends up changing your whole life. And I know you're here for that aha moment, it's gonna come, but trust me, it's not just about insights, it's about action. Everyone can share all the insights with you, but you need to have that moment in your own mind lab, your own space. You still need to keep collecting those moments and use them when the time comes, and we'll be talking about this in our first action item of this video. These are really just principles that will reshape your reality. But before we dive in, I've got something extraordinary that I want to share with you. This is the shipment that I've been waiting for, and it was my key to unlock mental clarity. It's finally here, and this is a limited edition keepsake box for the art of focus. We've got a digital offering, okay, and then this is a starter guide. Hoping there's a planner in here. Yep, there's the planner. This is a physical copy of the planner. It's a full-size planner. We have been waiting for this one. And then we've got the art of focus. I've been using his digital planner for about 8 months now, and it has really helped me in planning out my routine, and I highly suggest that you go ahead and download a Notion template that I created. It's a bit easy to follow. I've linked that in the description. Now, I've really been inspired by Dan. It wasn't because he delved and explained the concept of the creator economy in such great detail, but it was because he made me realize that I went through the same things myself as him while still prioritizing mostly the same things, and we'll talk about that in the upcoming videos. I've been really obsessed with the term focus and to achieve the flow state of the mind so I could really plug that into my productivity routine. And 2 years back, while I was working as a software project manager, I took the initiative to train my mind, and when I started doing that, the thing that became evidently clear to me at that time, that was the trap that society had laid out as the plan for the masses that was really bleak. And this trap is designed to consume the mind of its capacity to think critically. Now, that plan sort of goes out, go to school, get a job, retire with enough money to survive until death. And I never wanted that for me or anyone I love, and I wanted to escape it. This is about the same time when I came across Dan's philosophy of business and achieving mental clarity about the purpose that you want to attain in life. Now, this isn't necessarily just about purpose, but it's also ties back with the impact that you can make in the society with the gifts that you've been given. And additionally, exposing people to their potential. One won't be able to do that without realizing what their own potential is going to be. So in order to realize that, take these steps. Number 1, cut away all distractions. Right away, go into monk mode. I've done it 3 times already, and it has helped me greatly. It takes time when you're starting out, but trust me, it gets better. And you'll start connecting those collected aha moments together, and you'll be able to forge a few steps that you could take towards an actually desired path. That's a path that you forged for yourself, not someone else pointing you in some vague directions. A good watch for this step that I would recommend would be The Social Dilemma. You could watch that on Netflix. If you haven't already watched it, I suggest you do. The amount of noise that we have in today's world is just ridiculous. So everyone is trying to bid for your attention. That's what results in elevated costs for advertising. In these times, attention is your primary asset. You need to be diligent where you choose to park that attention with a clear mind. Number 2, crafting a beautiful mind. The mind is a canvas, so paint it wisely. When you start to declutter mental distractions by embracing monk mode, that is to disconnect from the noise, then you'll be able to allocate time daily for mindful reflection. You could journal your thoughts, your ideal future that you want to forge for yourself, and your systems. This mental cleanse will pave the way for clarity and creativity to burst in. Now, books like Mindfulness in Plain English, that's a title by Hannah Pola. Then Atomic Habits is another great one by James Clear. They're going to be your guides in this journey. You have to be conscious about what you're treating your mind with. You have to remember input equals output. If you treat your mind the healthy content, that's what is going to manifest in your life. Number 3, carving your body. A healthy body houses a thriving mind. Exercise is not just a physical ritual, it's a mental cleanse. So engage in activities that challenge your body, whether that's a brisk walk, it could be a rigorous workout, or it could be yoga. You have to sculpt your physique to empower your mind. Becoming a supple leopard. That's by Dr. Kelly Starrett for Movement Mastery. I struggled a lot, and I suggest you these because I struggled a lot in this one, because you can easily be demotivated when you don't see progress or gains. So you can make some gains initially when you start out, but when you're 6 or 3 months in, that tends to decline those gains. And most people just quit at that time. Whereas that's actually an indicator that you need to go harder on yourself. You can't keep following the same beginner workout routine that you started with 6 months ago. You have to be consistently overloading to see actual gain. Number 4, starting a meaningful project. Action fuels inspiration. So channel your passion into a meaningful project. It could be a side hustle, a creative endeavor, or it could be a community initiative. A meaningful project can provide a canvas for your skills, passion, and purpose for them to converge. That fosters personal and professional growth for you. The War of Art by Steven Pressfield is going to be your companion against the resistance that you'll face in these endeavors. Additionally, you could also dig into Deep Work by Cal Newport to amplify your focus. The lesson I got from these was that you can study the theory all you want and learn about all there is to business, but you're not actually learning. You're only reading and educating yourself on those topics. The real learning happens when you take action and set up a site or a product and it fails. That's where you will see the actual learning. This is why a project, no matter what that is so important to actually learn what you've been educating yourself with. Number 5, trusting in the process. Trust is the foundation of progress. Understand that success is a journey, not a destination. So you have to trust the process of growth and embrace failures as stepping stones to success. Learn, adapt, and persist. Trusting the process transforms setbacks into setups for future victories. Mindset by Carol S. Dweck unravels the power of beliefs. There's another one, The Obstacle is the Way by Ryan Holiday. Explains this very well. Cultivating a growth mindset is learning to adapt with failure You shouldn't be afraid to fail. You should be afraid that you never tried. Number 6, maintaining unwavering consistency. Consistency is the secret sauce of achievement. Establish daily rituals aligned with your goals. Small, consistent actions compound over time, creating profound results for you. Whether it's dedicating time to your craft, learning, or self-improvement, consistency is the linchpin of success. And the compound effect by Darren Hardy magnifies the importance of small actions that we tend to ignore on a daily basis. You can design your daily rituals with another book that's called The Power of Habits by Charles Duhigg. I cannot stress this enough. You need to work on forming a routine for yourself. This can be really hard if you have a lot of unhealthy habits, because as soon as you start doing something good, even though you feel better, but your mind and body would still crave the pleasures you indulged in previously. This can only be treated with consistency. Don't take small actions for granted. If you have a 30-minute workout, let's say in the morning, and you only do 15 minutes, that's still progress. And you can't think that I might as well just skip it because, I'm not doing the whole workout. Showing up for every action is what matters. And that's what's going to train your mind in the long run. So this is a roadmap to transform your mind, your body, and eventually your life. Take these actionable steps, integrate them into your daily routine, and you'll witness the profound impact on your journey towards greatness. If you're ready for the challenge, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's conquer new heights together. Let me know which step you struggled with the most in the comment section. I'd love to hear your thoughts and your feedback on it. You have it in you, so trust yourself and stay consistent. Always remember, the answers lie within yourself. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.